We are replacing two bridges across the Styx River, one in Glenora and the other in Bushy Park. These new bridges will improve the freight network as heavier vehicles will be able to use them. The bridges will also be wider, which means more space and improved safety for all road users, including cyclists. So far we've cleared vegetation to give us space to build the bridges. The new bridge at Glenora will have a shared path for pedestrians and cyclists, as well as wider traffic lanes. To allow for this, we've widened the road approaches to the bridge. To maintain access across the river during our work, we're building a temporary bridge. We started building the abutments, which are structural elements at each end of the bridge to support its weight. Once we finish the temporary bridge, we will move traffic onto it so we can safely demolish the old bridge. The new permanent bridge will then be built in its place. The bridge at Bushy Park will be shifted a few metres north from the old one. The new spot was chosen to prevent impact to nearby World War I soldier memorial trees and to improve approaches to the bridge. This means we're also building a new section of road to join to the new bridge. So far we've added materials for the new road. We've also driven in the piles for the new bridge. These piles are cylindrical foundation structures that have been driven into hard rock about 12 metres into the ground. We've poured concrete for the centre pier and we've started building the abutments. After this, we will continue building the bridge structure, followed by installing bridge beams. Due to weather and higher river levels, we can't do some works over the colder winter months. All road and bridge works are planned to take these factors into account. We expect to complete work on both bridges by April 2025, and we'll keep you updated throughout this project.